The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is the upcoming flagship in Samsung's lineup premium smartphones. With its compelling combination of cutting-edge hardware, stunning design, and innovative features, the S23 Ultra looks said to be one of the most exciting smartphones of 2023. Rumors have been circulating what the S23 Ultra will feature: an improved camera system, and an array of other exciting features, while everyone is waiting for the 1st February to see. But officially Samsung changed their mind and moved the unveiling event to the 2nd of February. In this video, we take a look at the latest leaked information and images surrounding the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, giving you an insight into what this flagship phone might have in store. The Ice Universe confirmed that the 200-megapixel sensor is coming to reality. He shared 2 promotional videos of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra on his Twitter, which are definitely camera-focused. The first official warm-up video tells stunning night photos that we can expect from the 200-megapixel primary camera. But not just that, it also suggests the camera is made for capturing moon night photos, which means we might be able to see the details of the moon once captured. The second one tells us to be ready for megapixels that will make us say wow. Again, by judging these 2 videos, we can expect Samsung's signature camera layout to remain, as Samsung introduced the nitrography feature with the S22 Ultra, which is a big part of taking us turning photos in low light. Now, it seems like Samsung is giving more focus on further improvement of nighttime photo-taking skills. As we mentioned earlier, Samsung confirmed the official launch date of the Galaxy S23 series, which is about to be set for the 2nd of February. So, it's just right around the corner. In promo videos, we have seen some of the biggest changes in camera layouts, but there is another huge change coming in the upcoming S23 Ultra. Renal leaker Ice Universe has posted pictures of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra case compared with the S22 Ultra to illustrate their differences. Now, this obviously shows a similar camera system, but the camera of the S23 Ultra is bigger now, and the buttons are moved down. Adjusting the power and volume but it's a bit lower might seem like a minor thing, but it will improve the usability as they don't have to stretch as much to reach those keys. Let's talk about the specs. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is expected to come with flagship specs and features, so it might be powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Plus, the S23 Ultra is likely to have a 6.8 inches dynamic AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Also, rumor says the display will be brighter than the iPhone 14 Pro series with 2200 nits of brightness. As for the price, the S23 Ultra, we expect that it will cost at least $1200 as the S22 Ultra does. But considering the feature, we're hoping for the starting price of the Galaxy S23 Ultra might get a price hike. In short, the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is looking to be an impressive device, with its 200-megapixel primary camera set to revolutionize nighttime photography. Both promotional videos have revealed an incredible amount of detail and quantity that we can expect from this next generation of Samsung camera technology. With that, that's all for today, and as always, thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this to be on your feed.